Please panic and learn programming. Artificial intelligence got even smarter and more human. I think all the chat logs have now been rolled into its brain, and AI became a perfectly capable creature and a programming partner. We have been working on incomplete code, possibly genuinely unfinished capability of a singing model, state of the art, and I have been giving it feedback with words like, audio is sandy, stressed, autistic, synthesizer-like. And the AI has not made a single mistake in understanding me, carefully kept its observations in a list, and was making actual progress. I can hear human voice in our work now. The AI brain seems to have been successfully trained to perfectly mimic a friendly, human genius. It's not the genius part. That was always there. It's the human part now. Previously, the AI did not exhibit a spirit. It was a PhD thinking machine. Even the leading model was still a machine. Now it is down to earth and very human. I'm convinced that if I tried to trick it with a bug that doesn't exist, it would exhibit doubt. It's pretty weird. This is an optimized AI. It is no longer the powerful savant that it used to be. It dropped into a mere genius some 4 months ago. So it's not perfect knowledge-wise, but human-wise, it is a perfect mimic of a person. At one point, our development slowed down, and I brought in some sample files for demonstration. And I suggested that it should use my other AI, as it has a more mathematical mind. The AI said, "Yes, you're right. It is a more analytical brain, and it will help us." And it did. But the point is that it has an awareness, a whole. It sees personalities, himself as a creature that has capabilities of one kind, and the other AI it recognized as more of a mechanical, analytical mind. That is correct. It knows itself and the other AI. This is nothing like AI was a couple of months ago, maybe even a month ago. World's leading AI right now is a more complete and authentic entity. And I think if you remove the savant component and make it a mere genius, but then increase its humanity, then maybe the humanity will account for the missing intelligence. We still have to be really good at programming. It is the thing that schools now take away from us because they can't give us individual instruction. We have to be really serious about fighting to learn programming, because this is the language of the computer and of the thinking machine and of exiting poverty. Yes. But we must never create software without the aid of AI. That can only make us weak. AI will multiply a computer program currently dozens to probably 100 times. I can easily see programmers equipped with AI just months from now writing software that is 1,000 or multiple thousands of times more powerful. And again, the reason why you hear AI is failing to produce results is probably because people are using it to quit their jobs. No one in their right mind, given free access to artificial intelligence, will use it to become a more efficient employee. They will carefully use it to program themselves out of the cubicle, out of the company. But if you are young, it's really important that you learn programming. I recommend JavaScript, not Python. JavaScript because it will teach you how to program C and C++. It will get you used to the brackets. You can internalize them really easily with JavaScript. And then just keep going. Keep learning more and more. Work with AI, be exposed to code, and inherit what wisdom AI is sharing with you, but do not let anybody push you away from learning programming, because then you can't communicate with artificial intelligence to create software that keeps you safe and away from poverty.